Dozy. Dozy came with his housemate Daisy yesterday, and separate trips because they couldn't catch Dozy even though he was in the house. It's okay, it's okay. And he didn't want to come, I guess. He was hiding. Daisy came right away. Come over here, pretty girl. Come over here. But they're both doing well. They're eating like little horses. Hi, little tiny. Huh? And they're both doing well. They've been here many, many times in the past. And they take a day to settle in. Dozy's taking an extra day to settle in. I don't know why he's unsettled this particular trip, but he is. It's okay. It's not affecting his appetite, so don't worry. It can't be that bad. Hey, Daisy. Come on over here. So I'll take him in another couple of days when he's all settled in. Hi, Daisy. Daisy's all settled in. Huh? Yes, look at you. Look at you. Dozy, come over here. Come on. Come on. Oh, good boy. Oh, fresh boy. Yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. So don't worry, they're doing okay. They'll settle in. They just came in yesterday afternoon, so they'll settle in soon. Huh, guys? Being a freshie? Are you freshie? Yeah.